Good evening to everyone. Welcome to TechKC. Today in this video, I just want to show you how you can connect this DJI Mic 2 with your DJI Osmo Pocket gimbal camera. See here, this is already turned on. See, not been recording or anything, just it is turned on. The simple thing, what you can do is you can just click on the power button here on the DJI Mic. Long press so that you will see a blue linking light, and just keep beside the camera gimbal here. So see, there is no auto detection right now, right? So if there is no auto detection, what you can do is you can just go to your screen and swipe from top to bottom and click on the settings gear icon, and see here wireless mic is there, right? So I'll be tapping on this wireless mic TX1 TX2. So I'll be choosing TX1. Power on DJI Osmo audio and pair. So what I'll do is I'll do TX2. Power on DJI Osmo 2. So yeah, stop. Wireless microphone, and I'll be pressing on this link symbol, right? Link symbol. So I hope now it gets connected. Yeah, see here DJI Osmo audio connected, and I'll be clicking on this confirm. See, TX2 DJI Mic 2, and it is displaying 80% of the charge. Now if I do any recording, I'll be pressing on the back. Now if I start recording something, now it will record. So if I press this, now it is recording, right? So I need to just keep this somewhere near to my mouth, and I can just give the voiceover. So yeah, this is how you can connect DJI wireless mic. You can connect through the cable also for the active noise cancellation, but wirelessly I just shown you.